Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So obviously this is a bit of a different video and a different setup, but I'm trying to take my travel videos to the next level, and one way to do that is a great audio system. So I've picked up the Rode GoPro wireless microphone system and I'm pairing that up with the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and we're going to unbox it and review it all right now. Let's go. So let's just quickly go through everything that you get and that you need to connect the Rode wireless GoPro microphone system up to a GoPro Hero 10 or any GoPro that. So firstly, to connect any external microphone to a GoPro, any GoPro that is, you need a media mod. So these you can just get from Amazon or the GoPro website. They're about £70, but they are needed in order to connect an external microphone. And then obviously the external microphone system that we have gone for is the Rode wireless GoPro compact system. And we purchased a single set, which comes with just a single receiver and a single transmitter, because that's all I need, and that was £160 on Amazon. And obviously we're going to show you everything that we get in these boxes and how easy it is just to connect. It's very simple. So obviously firstly you've got the media mod. So with this you literally just get the casing, and then also it comes with a microphone. So if you just want a little upgrade to your audio, this actually comes with its own microphone and a little windshield. So you can just use the media mod as an upgraded microphone, but I wanted to take it a step further, and that's why I purchased the Rode wireless GoPro system. So as we've already spoke about, the receiver is on the back of the media mod, and that is simply connected with a TRS cable that comes in the box. So literally you plug it straight from the media mod then into the receiver, which you can actually attach to the GoPro media mod. So it's a perfect system and doesn't make it a lot more bulky than just a general GoPro. And then obviously, as you can hear and see, I am wearing the transmitter. So this is actually a dual channel setup, so you can have two transmitters. So you can have two different people wearing the transmitters, or just two transmitters to pick up two different audios. But like I said, I've purchased a single set, so got the transmitter, and then obviously as you can see it comes with these two wind muffs. So these just literally twist onto the transmitter, and we're going to be testing that later on. To put on the GoPro media mod you need to disconnect the door and it literally slides in, so it's such a simple setup. And then you also get these two USB-C charging cables. So obviously these are just to charge the microphone, so it's good to get two so you can charge them both at the same time. And then obviously it's going to be used for traveling, and you're going to want to be carrying them around, so it does come with a little pouch to store everything that you get inside. It's good to show everything that you get inside the box, and it's nice to know that everything in there is needed, and it's very, like it says, it is very compact system. So it looks all good, but it's time to test the audio. So we're going to put it to a quick initial test now, both inside and outside. Going to put it in a few different conditions and environments and see how well it copes, and hopefully the audio is crisp and clear outside as well as inside with no background noise whatsoever. And yeah, let's go and see. So I've just connected the microphone onto my jumper and onto the GoPro, and hopefully the audio is smooth. Like I said, this is just an initial review, so I'm going to do a couple quick tests inside, and then we're going to take it outside, which is the real test, because that's when I'm going to be using it the most, when we're out and about. But I just thought, as I've only just plugged it in, I just want to see what the initial sound is like through the GoPro and the Rode wireless GoPro microphone. So you don't have to actually attach the microphone to your jumper or clothes if you want to just hold it. And to be honest, it does give you a lot of freedom, because if you're having a conversation with someone else as well, it's easier to just pass the microphone across, and then you can get the perspective of two people and the whole conversation. So in this room it is a bit echoey and a bit open, so I'm not sure what the audio will sound like inside, but we have some ambient noises coming from the PC fans and just general noise. So it'd be good to see how good the audio is just in a general setting, because to be honest, a lot of the videos will be outside, but it'd be good to do certain parts of a video just like this, so I can talk to the camera in a good environment, and hopefully the audio is improved massively to just a normal GoPro camera. So we're now going to take the Rode Wireless Go-To microphone system outside and give it a real test, because that's the most that I'm going to be using it, and I think that is the main priority of these microphones, to be used outdoor, especially with the windshield, see how good it is, because it's a really windy day outside. And yeah, hopefully it passes all the tests and it's going to take the content to the next level. Let's go outside. So I'm just going to do another test of me holding the microphone rather than wearing it on a jacket or a shirt, just to see what it sounds like if I'm just holding it. And as well, it's easy if you want to ask someone something to just quickly pass them the microphone, and yeah, it gets the communication then between two people. So like I said, I'm just testing it outside in an open area, and it's a really windy day, so it'll be a good test to see if the windshield or the microphone picks up any wind and how good the audio is. So I'm just going to do a quick distance test. I'm about 5 foot away, and then we're just going to keep walking backwards and see how much you can hear of it. So I'm just going to turn around as well, so if you can imagine, if we're out and talking to the camera, the distance on it. So this is quite a distance now, so if you can still hear this, this is perfect distance, and the audio should be sounding great as well. I've got it attached to my body warmer at the moment, and yeah, like you can see, I'm a distance away from the camera. Hopefully the audio is still working, and yeah, might just keep going until it cuts out. So let's keep walking. It's a bit muddy over here, so it's gonna take me a while, but I think that's enough. I'm not going to be recording any distance further than this. So if this is still picking up perfect audio, especially on a windy day in an open area, then there's not much more you can ask for a budget microphone and GoPro setup. So yeah, I'm just going to do another quick test of seeing if there's any interference when there's obstacles in the way, because obviously when you're recording a busy area, it's not always just going to be a clear path. So I'm just going to walk around the corner and hopefully the audio is still picking me up. So we'll just come down here, turn the corner, and yeah, I'm just going to pretend that I'm walking down here, and hopefully the camera and the audio is still picking me up, and hopefully it's clean. Like I said, it is a windy day, so it will be good to see how it acts in this weather and with obstacles in the way. So just going to walk back now. Hopefully all the audio has been fine the whole time. So we've done a few tests now, and I just want to be walking with it, because the most part I'm going to be using this setup is when I'm actually walking and doing some action. So I'm just going to see what the audio is like. So like, there's a car coming past now, so I don't know how much that will actually pick up on the microphone and how it would impact the audio of my voice. But yeah, we're just going to keep walking now and see what it's like. And also another good test would be see if it picks up any noise from like my jacket or anything that I'm wearing. So yeah, we're just going to keep walking, keep rolling, and hopefully all the audio is good with the cars, with the wind, and wearing like 3 layers as well. So be a really good test this one to see how good the audio is. So yeah, I've just done a quick initial review of the GoPro Rode Wireless Go-To microphone system with the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and hopefully it's all worked out. I haven't actually looked at the footage yet, but it's going to be all good. This is the system that I'm going to be using throughout all my new videos, so be sure to check them out. Obviously I've got a lot of trips planned. If you didn't know, I actually am a travel vlogger. So I'm testing this because I want to record my travels, so be sure to look out for this, and I'm looking for a budget setup with the GoPro, so hopefully this has worked very well on the outside and inside tests. So if you've got any tips for me as well, or if you've got any questions about either the GoPro or the Rode Wireless Go-To microphone, then let me know in the comments. But for now, I'll catch you in the next video.